So, approach the bend, see the van on indicated left, prepare to go round him, then no, he pulls away. Obviously concentrating on something else. Okay. Certainly wasn't concentrating fully on his driving, as you can tell by the next thing he does. Unless he's overtaken an invisible car, I'm not sure on that one though. Here he goes. Good job he didn't intercept.
Nicely positioned by the Citroen there. Pretty sure it's going to carve out that Volkswagen when it pulls away. Hey ho. Yeah. Okay, Garmin. Save video. Gently, Bentley. Okay, Garmin. Third lane with a trailer on. Naughty, naughty. Woo! Missed in. Private Dolomite. Nice. Prime Stag. Very nice. Christ, but far fucking get on your side of the road. Oh my god. Oh, that's it. Just jump out in front of me. Knob. Oh my god, what are you sat there for? Absolute plank. Okay, Garmin, save video. Okay, Garmin, save video. Dear. That's not very good, is it? You've been on fire. Or are you just going to shoot right in front of me? That was a dumb move. Okay, Garmin. Ooh, geez, that was too close. Time's right. Okay, Garmin, save video. Ooh, scimitar. Same one I've seen before. Gently, Bentley. Okay, Garmin, save video.